Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through a build of Cortex, which is my business second brain. It has access to all of the different app projects that I'm building, as well as both of my YouTube channels. It's trained on my knowledge base using a RAG system. We're going to be taking a look at it inside Claude Code as well as Codex, and I'm just going to be building it out in public. So go ahead and check out my school community. It's currently free. We've got almost 3,000 members in there now. New people are joining every single day. Would love to see you inside school. And with that being said, let's go ahead and start the tutorial. Enjoy watching and please subscribe. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through a new project that I'm currently building out for my business. It's called Cortex. And what this is essentially a second brain with my library, track all of the different projects that I'm working on. So we've got TubeAnalytics, this YouTube channel where you're watching is now, AI Automation Station. I just created a simple Python script inside Claude Code to get all of my transcripts for this YouTube channel. I also need to do the same for my second YouTube channel as well, but that's going to take a bit longer because I've got 1,200 videos over there. But this is just for the AI Automation Station channel, and then I've also got all of my projects. These are the 26 different projects that I've currently built out. And if we open this up, it's just a simple MD file, which was also created inside Claude Code, which basically gives the tech stack, all of the current state and features, as well as some of the file structure and that sort of stuff. Now, to be perfectly honest, I haven't been entirely sure why I actually need this for my business, because I don't really see how it's going to help me move the needle and actually make more money for my business. If it can actually help me predict or give me foresight into what I should be building next, that would be a super useful feature to have. So I've decided to build out this radar feature over here, which is going to tell me what to build and what to shoot. In other words, what to film next for the YouTube channel. Ultimately, I just want to use this to tell me what to do next in the business, because it's not like I have any consultants I can talk to. I don't have a coach, nothing like that. So I just have to kind of figure things out as I go along. So this should be super useful moving forward. So yeah, this is just continuing to build out, looks like some themes for the website, so I can switch the themes. Let me just go ahead and refresh this. Hopefully it didn't break anything. It looks like it added a new tab here for theme graph. So this is looking pretty good. This looks like some of the other tutorials that I've seen on YouTube where they're basically connecting up different nodes and it's all animated and looks beautiful and everything. We've also got this capture thing over here as well, where I can paste in thoughts, links, and notes. So I can just save something to the inbox over here. And this is where all of the data is actually coming from for my second brain. So we've got the recommendation engine. We've got all of the different spaces. So these are just the different projects that I'm currently working on, including my YouTube channel, the lead generation tool, some of the other projects I'm building. Actually, what I want to do first is a git commit and push. And that's just going to push it up to my GitHub repository. And then we can get started with the VidIQ MCP. MCP built in already. If I just do \MCP, I don't see VidIQ. Oh yeah, there's VidIQ. That's the VidIQ MCP right here. So that's already connected up to Claude Code. And it says I have a balance of 1,390 credits, 8 content recommendations. This is through the VidIQ thing here. It's just checking my balance, which is free. So I do have some credits over here. So it'll be really cool if I can connect up VidIQ over here, and then under radar I can get recommendations for my YouTube channel based on real data from the VidIQ MCP over here. So for example, for LeadScope, I want to see specifically how many leads I've contacted on a day-by-day basis, and I also want to see the open rate and all of that stuff as well. And we could take a look at all of that data, which is over here inside the CRM. And we've got all of our insights over here as well. I just want to integrate all of this directly into my second brain. So I want to pull in all of that data from LeadScope. And so I've just told it to create the detailed prompt over here, which will pull the LeadScope data and build the analytics dashboard. So there's the prompt, and I've just pasted it in over here into Codex in this particular case, because I'm currently out of credits in Claude, which is going to reset in like another 45 minutes. This particular one over here is building the integration for TubeAnalytics. We're just going to use my own software as a service analytics over here, which already has an MCP available to use. So I'm basically just going to connect the MCP up to my second brain, and then we can pull in all of the data. This is what my dashboard looks like for TubeAnalytics. I'm currently about 1,400 hours into building this. It's live and available to the public, and we've got all of the data over here. This one is a 7-day free trial, and then prices start at $19 per month, all the way up to $149 per month. So I'll just have to wait for my credits to reset, which shouldn't be too much longer. And then this particular one is going to be using Claude Haiku to create the summaries, and it's using it for a few other things as well. Still got 91% left for the week over here in Codex. And it looks like the summary queue is already clear, and it created 218 summaries with no pending jobs. So the worker ran and found nothing new. That's good news. It's coming together quite nicely. And yeah, if you guys are interested in building out your own second brain, just drop a comment down below, and please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Take care, stay safe, peace from Thailand, signing off.